Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's good, hope everybody keeping safe through the coronavirus. My heart and prayer go out to people. Anyway guys, like I said, I hope everybody's good and hope everybody's well. Tonight guys, we have a thunderstorm coming in because of the hurricane in Mexico, pushing up all the moisture. So we are having a tropical moisture from the hurricane or tropical storm, and you can see there's the lightning. There you go, it's coming in, and we got 24 hours until tomorrow afternoon, Friday. Wow, you saw that, didn't you? I did. Anyway, everybody, Tony, is that a funnel cloud over there? I barely cannot get it on the camera. Not saying any about tornado watch. Anyway, everybody, Tony's with me. So he's on the radar watching it in my car, outside my car. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit like, and please help me, please show support with these videos. I'm not very good with ideas, and I'm gonna ask for your help, and this is where you can comment below the screen which video you prefer me to do, whether thunderstorm, music, abandoned place. You all saw the video of abandoned farmhouse. That was horrible story, what I was told. Or cemetery. If you guys think I should do a video of that, please comment below. I will read your comment. Right now the thunder is coming in. We just heard lightning, and I know you guys can't see it well at night. It is dark, but over there we're seeing something. Could be a funnel cloud. Whoa, did you saw that? Yeah. It is a tropical storm, hurricane. You know that every time the hurricane or tropical storm hit on the land, dude, that looked like a funnel cloud over there. Did you saw it? Yeah, I did. Anyway, everyone, I'm sorry about that. So every time when there's a tropical storm or hurricane here on land, it's possible for a tornado. Today I have not heard there's a tornado with this storm, but if there is, I'm sorry if I will cut the video short. Yeah, that looked like a rotation going on over there. Anyway, everyone, shit. Yeah, it's picking up a little bit, but it feels good. Whoa, there you go. Whoa, something interesting going on over there. There's the lightning now. We should get it in the next 10 minutes. There's the lightning. Wow. It's the wind. Let's move that a little bit. There's the lightning. Guys, you're gonna have problem hearing me because the wind is picking up. Alright, you guys, it is coming in. Good. Yeah, you can. My car. Alright. Wow. It's gonna be heavy. Guys, you cannot see, but let me say, over there you can see the heavy rain. I know you can't see it. Did you see? Yeah. You can hear it. Here it comes, guys. You can hear that heavy rain. Wow. The rain, you can see it on the screen there, guys. Here it comes. you can hear the thunder. There we go. Good God. It's raining now. Okay. Whoa. Good. Yeah. Guys, it is getting crazy out there. Let me show you something. Look how crazy it is. Let me turn the lights up. You can hear the heavy rain. There it is. There's our tropical storm, hurricane, I don't know what it is. Look how strong the wind is. I would say it's up to 20-30 miles per hour. But you can hear in the background the wind, it's just strong. Alright everyone. Yo, what is that sound? Wow. Yeah. Ooh.